Hi, my pupils. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learning Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will revise I will resume Unit 1 from Lesson 3 till the end of the unit for grade 5. But before I will go to do so, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our revise today. Today, we are going to revise Lesson 3 in Unit 1, grade 5. Here we have the lesson is about Jack and Beanstalk. Beanstalk is a plant like this is a beanstalk. Okay. Here we have beanstalk, giant, castle, coach, poor, rich. Poor and rich are opposite. Okay. Poor and rich are opposite. Chop down, which means cut quickly. Okay, this is the meaning of chop down. I will repeat a bit after me. Here we have beanstalk, giant, castle, coach, poor, rich, and chop down. Let's answer the exercise below this lesson. When we pick something up quickly, we say we chop, cut, grade, count. It. As we told during the lesson, which one? Chop. We are clever people. I'm listening, saying this is chop. We buy and sell things at what? At the market. So the answer it will be at the market. He's very, very big person. So it would work without thinking. Giant. The lesson we learned it from the lesson. That is giant. Okay. Thank you for space me. For what? For followed by what? By gerund ing. So it will be for helping. They sold the gold eggs to space food to what? To plus infinitive form, which what? Buy to buy. He's very space has a lot of money. A lot of money means poor or rich. No, it's rich. So I no, he's rich, not poor. If you have a little money, so it will be he will be poor. But here it has a lot of money. So a lot of money means what? Means he's very rich. The giant was kind, triple, happy. Him didn't like him. Didn't like him. So it will be what? It will be triple without thinking what, because kind is a good behavior and happy is a good behavior. But triple is a bad behavior. And from the sentence, I know that it's not good behavior. Why? Because the him didn't like him. Okay? If we say like him, so I can select the good behavior. So it will be triple because it's here we say didn't like him. Let's go to another sentence. They are space. They can buy the food and they want. So it will be what? They can buy the food they want. So it will be rich or poor. No, it will be no. He will be what? He will be poor. So I select the first one. Let's go to answer the punctuation. The punctuation, as we told before, as we learned before that when we answer this question, underline the wrong letter or the punctuation mark. The wrong punctuation mark didn't put in the sentence and correct it. Thank you for helping me, Jack. So Jack here it would be not in small letter, so it will be in capital letter. I answer. This is the correct. I underline and correct this letter. Jack and his mother were very poor, so it will be Jack is in capital letter because we started the sentence with capital letter, and Jack is what is a proper name, so must be written in capital letter. And I put full stop or the period at the end of the sentence. Let's go to another lesson. Here we have lessons 4 and 5. Simulina. Here is Simulina. Almonds, melted butter like the butter that we have in our home, and we put it on the cooker and it melted, become like a liquid. Okay, It is called melted butter, pour, syrup, syrup, syrup. Toothpaste. Here we have semolina, almonds, melted butter, pour, syrup, syrup, sauce pane, and we have diamond shape. Let's answer the questions below this lesson. You can use knife to do what? We use knife. If we say I use knife, so I will, this related in my mind for what? For cutting. So I select number 1 by number. C, you are clever pupils. What is the recipe for space? What is the recipe for what? Recipe. So I asked about the recipe that I do. Something like basbousa or like cake or anything. Okay, this is the recipe. Recipe for what? For what is the recipe? What is the recipe for? Mix this, integrate. So I will select this one by this one. You need to turn the oven on. You need to turn the oven on. I use the oven on to do what? For baking. It's for baking what? Need to oven. It's for baking what? For baking cake. You can make the syrup. The syrup. The syrup with what? With honey, water, and lemon juice. Okay. When we make a basbousa, this is called syrup. Syrup. We use this one by this one. Okay. You need to turn on the oven on. It's for it's for what? It's for baking basbousa. No, no. It's wrong, wrong. You need to turn the oven on to get it hot. To get it hot. This one. To get it hot. Okay. To get it hot. Here we have. Let's answer this question. We have the subject. To get it hot. Okay. Yes. I have a mistake here. Here we have a mistake. I told you that this turn oven, it's for baking by this, not for baking by this. So you need to turn the oven on to get it hot. Okay, to get it hot. This one by number. Okay. Let's go to another one. I will answer 2 of them, and I will leave the rest to do it as on. I will give the rule, and you apply the rule on this rule on the sentence. We have here subject plus verb plus object. As we know, during the previous year, during the previous years, we learned this rule. Okay, it's called subject verb object. This is the part of the statement sentence. As we talked before, that when we make a question form or the interrogative form, we invert the verb instead of what? Instead of the subject. Okay, we can make invert by replacing the verb instead of subject. In what? In the question form, not in the statement form. Let's answer this question. Here we have the subject. It will be we. We what? We doing what? So we have the subject. Where is the verb here? We cook a lot of we cook a lot of different we cook a lot of different things. We cook a lot of different things. A lot of different things. A lot of different things. Different. We cook a lot of different things. And I put the question, I put the full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay, you must do so. Okay. Here we have to get turn on the oven the hot. So it will be turn on the oven to get hot. Turn on. When we going to bake in the basbousa, we do so. We turn on the oven to get hot. Turn on the oven. Turn on the oven to get hot. Turn on the oven to get. Turn on the oven to get it. And you put a full stop at the end of this. Okay. Let's go to another one. I need this to do it as by listening because these students are listening, so I can't do it. I do from the choice, from multiple choice. We can keep animals and pets in a space in a bowl or in school or in coach or cupboard. You can keep with me animals and birds. Its place. It will be in what in coach. So I select this one, like lion, like birds, like in coach. Okay, it's not space. Healthy, unhealthy, babe, hungry. If you eat a lot of chocolate, if you eat a lot of chocolate, is it healthy? No, it's not healthy. It will be unhealthy. I'm listening to this even unless I feel the few things. Salma doesn't have space pigs. As we learned in previous year, when we talk about negative or question form, we use what? Use some or any. We use any. We use any. Why? Because here we have a negative form. We have here we in the next sentence we say you told me you said Miss Iman explained before that some comes with question. Sorry, any comes with question, but some here come with question because what? Because here we have not a question; it's an offer. So if you have special cases that some come in question, like what requests, offers, and statement for and the statement affirmative statement form. Okay, so it will be here what would you have give me space sugar, please. So I will so here a request. Okay, here is a request. So I put what I select what I select some. Let's go to answer the next question. Are there any carrots? No, it will be a no. There aren't any. So I will select number D by number A. We haven't got what any grapes. So I select the number 2 by number A. I would like here. I would like so I would like to. It will be followed by what some potatoes and some onions. I would like kosher for lunch. Um, I would like a kosher for lunch. It's my favorite. This is my favorite, so I select number 4 by number B. Okay. I would like kosher for lunch. It's my favorite. Okay. Let's go to answer the next question. Here we have a text. We read it and we answer the question below this text. Here we have my name, Dina. I'm grade 5. I like healthy food. So underline in the exam, they underline this word to know the meaning of this word. Okay. I like healthy food. I help my mom in the kitchen. We can make chickens, peas, and potatoes. My brother likes to eat chocolate. I like chocolate too, but I don't eat a lot. Chocolate is delicious, but not healthy. At the weekend, we visit our uncle. He grows trees in his garden. He has a lemon and lim tree. We took lim tree. I think we took lim tree and we know lim tree. My uncle helps me grow a mango tree. It's interesting. I will repeat this text to understand with me before you answering the questions. My name's Dina. I'm in grade 5. I like healthy food. I help my mom in the kitchen. We can make chickens, beans, and potatoes. My brother likes to make chocolate. I like chocolate too, but I don't eat a lot. Chocolate is delicious, but not healthy. At the weekend, we visit our uncle. He grows trees in his garden. He has a lemon and lim tree. My uncle helps me grow a mango tree. It's interesting. Dina's brother likes what? Dina's brother likes what? Dina's brother. Dina's brother likes what? Let's go to know here. My brother likes to eat chocolate. So if this eat, I select this one. Underline healthy means is the opposite of unhealthy. So when you put when you underline the word, you can ask about meaning or you ask about the opposite of this word. Here we have healthy. So the opposite of this word, it will be what? It will be unhealthy. What unhealthy food is there in the text? The unhealthy food, which is unhealthy food, and we know during the learning in grade 1 and grade 2 and grade 3, we know the healthy and unhealthy food in Discover syllable. I think so. Here we have unhealthy, which food here is unhealthy? Chocolate. So the unhealthy food, it will be chocolate. What plants does Dina's grow? Does Dina's uncle grow in Hyde garden? Growing what? A mango tree. Here we have the rearrange, and I will write the rule to apply this rule on the sentence. Subject, verb, object. You must know this rule to practice on the sentence that we answer. As we talked before, that when we make a question, we invert the verb in instant of what? In instant of subject. Like this. Story, you, they, did, you. So it will be, did you like the story? So the answer, it will be, did you like the story? 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 And I put you must put at the end of the sentence, put what? Put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, you must put the question mark at the end of the sentence because it's a question form. Favorite is the healthy what food? What is what is the favorite? What is your favorite healthy food? So it will be what is the favorite healthy food? What what is your favorite healthy food? What is your what is your favorite healthy food? What is your favorite healthy food? What is your favorite healthy food? And I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Close the question mark at the end of the sentence. A lot we different of cook. We cook a lot of different things. We cook a lot of different things. I answered in oral, and you can do it in by written by downloading after downloading the file below the video. Okay, I will leave it to do it by yourself. Let's go to another question. Here we have punctuation also. Let's go to answer this question. As we talked before, that we must underline the letters that we corrected. Here we have mangoes. Mangoes must be written in capital letter Y because I started the sentence. So when we start the sentence, I must write the letter in capital letter when I start the sentence. Here it will be Egypt is a proper name or a famous name. So it will be what? It will be written in capital letter like this. So here we have Egypt. Egypt in small letter must be written in capital letter because the famous name or a proper name, so must be written in capital letter. And this is the name of country, not name of countries or person of famous places must be written in capital letter. Okay, here to have Egypt. So we must write E in capital letter, mangoes in capital letter, and I put the full stop at the end of the sentence. Here we have a paragraph of 40 words. I will write it with you here to know more about this. Here we have guiding elements. It means that the elements that we're giving you to help to arrive. What is your favorite food? Do you like healthy food? So I will write it here. Here we have my favorite food. I will write it here. My favorite food. My favorite food is, for example, I can write fish. Others can write meat. Okay. So my favorite food. My favorite food is my favorite food is what, and I would like to say that you must write the sentence in small write small sentences to be easy for to be easy, and can't have grammar mistakes and spelling mistakes. Okay, it's simple, and you can't have any structured mistakes or spelling mistakes. My favorite food. My favorite food. I will miss food here. My favorite food. My favorite food is fish. Okay, this is the first sentence. So stop. It's healthy. It's healthy. You can say meat also, or can say it's healthy. If someone saying we write Miss even meat, yes, so it will be healthy also. Meat, vegetables and fruit, it's healthy. All these are healthy food. Okay, we all know the healthy, and we know all we are become in grade 5, and we all know the healthy and unhealthy food as we learned during the previous year. Okay, it's healthy, it's delicious, it's delicious. It's delicious. I would like to write it on the board. It's it's more clear than this. Okay, I will write it in the on the board. Okay, on the file button. Okay, let's put it on the file button to be more clear. Okay, my favorite food. My favorite food. My, my favorite. My favorite food is my favorite. Fish. I would put it here. It's healthy. You can say food. You can say meat healthy, and fish is healthy, and vegetables and fruits are healthy. All these are healthy food. Okay. My favorite food is fish. It's healthy. I put here. I put it up here. It's delicious. We buy can buy fish. Can buy fish from the market. From the market. From the market. Some other things, when we say my favorite food is meat, we say buying meat from the butcher, or my favorite food is vegetables and fruit, buy it from market. Okay, this is the places that we buy these things from. It. Here we have we can buy fish. We can buy fish from the market. From the market. Here I write how many sentences? One, two, three, four. It must be 40 words. Okay, 40 words. I always, I always, I always eat fish with rice. And when we say meat, also meat eat with rice. Okay. I always eat fish with rice, with rice, and salad Both are eat with also with both are eat also with what, with the meat also. Okay. So stop. I always eat fish with rice and salad. My mom cooks it to me. Okay. And my mom cooks it to me. So I will read it for you to know how to write it. My favorite food is fish. Can say fish or meat or anything. Okay. It's healthy. It's delicious. You can buy fish from the market. I always eat fish with rice and salad. My mom cooks it to me. By this question, we finish our by this question. By this question, we by this by this question we end our lesson today. Next class we will revise unit 2. Next class we will revise unit 2. We will revise together unit 2. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.